Hello everyone. This is the team on point providing their solution for the problem statement number 4. So, what we are trying to build is actually an app, mobile app, and a web application where small businesses can basically sell their goods directly to the big companies who's trying to get cheap products or trying to fulfill their MSME targets. Basically, a joint between the small vendors between a large MNC's company. So let me walk you through how it works. So let's assume you are a vendor. Now this is the only the front part of it. We are still training our machine learning models, but by the end of it, we will have everything figured out. So first of all, we'll try to verify who I am by using a mobile number and also a geolocation verification for it. Let's assume anything. They will send you an OTP. Apart from that, we will add some take a basic information, the images of Aadhaar card, PAN card, and then we'll take your location and basically we'll upload the bank documents. When the bank documents are uploaded inside, we'll run our in-house machine learning model to generate a report accordance to all the information they have given us, and we'll generate a test score. Now just to show you, you'll get a test score based on its UPI history and other basic things that the banks won't provide. We'll try to give them a trust score so that basically companies can trust them on their products. So this is a like a kind of a dashboard. So right now we have, just to show you how this really works, we have added uh, you know kind of information like the recent orders, the total revenue to active buyers, the pending invoices, everything for a basic simple ERM for the person. We are just to help them. Now this is the part of the vendor's dashboard. Let's assume someone is a buyer. That's a big company. So he will add his services, the categories, the location, and will show them. One can place profile, view profile, and call them. So basically, they can call when they need a kind of like, I need some kind of prototype, like how it works or what is the product or the quality of it. So one can call and they can start a conversation in between. Basically, we are trying to bridge the gap between what a small vendor has to provide and what the big company is trying to purchase. But there's a gap between them, and this is the gap we are trying to place. Apart from that, we also plan to add digital learning. For let's assume if there's a small or very poor person who doesn't know how to use the app, basically has the app on his phone. So we'll try to give boot camp sessions in not right now in person, but we are looking for online in person or maybe like some kind of blogs to how to do if today many companies have that kind of system. So we'll also try to implement that kind of system. We're having blogs, tutorial, video tutorial, just to help them get through this point and connect their small company to the larger thing. So this is our prototype, and I hope we select you because by the end of this, we would have a product. If we are selected through the rounds, we'll have a fully working version of this thing going on.